So what's up guys, my name is Kevin. I'm with Essential Mobile Detailing. Today I'm going to be detailing a Honda Pilot. I think it's an 06 Honda Pilot. As you can tell, it's very dirty. You can see the stains right there. I already started working on it, and I'm going to do a video, see if I can get some good feedback on this. If I can get good feedback on this, I'll continue making videos. So right now I'm just cleaning out a seat. I'll be back. I'll do a time lapse. Let me know if you guys like this video. So you'll take your towel. I really wish that I had a mount to mount this somewhere, but give me one sec. Microfiber towel like so, and then what you'll do is just go over the seat. I guarantee that there will be something that comes out. I'm sorry that this is all wonky. I really don't have a stand or anything like that. Just trying to, you can tell it's dirty. So you'll do, this is the dirty side, so you flip it around to the clean side. You'll do that until you see that there's no stains. So yeah, just a little FYI. This is dirty water that this is coming out of this car. So look at all that. Exteriors, I always use Supreme Shine from Meguiars. As you can see it, you can see the shine to the door panels. I'm in a little bit of a rush, so. Y'all, that's gonna do it for this upload. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.